but you called me your own. Now I am dancing in front of your throne. They looked at me and said I'd never make it far. They counted me out, left me covered in scars. But your mercy whispered, child, your story isn't done. You turned my midnight into the morning sun. No more wearing garments of heavy despair. You traded my ashes for beauty so rare. My feet are dancing, my lips are singing praise. I will testify for the rest of my days. You lifted me up, higher and higher, higher. Filled my soul with Holy Ghost fire. Who can deny your power? No one. Makandisi mutakuva mumadaka, mukandimisa padombo guru, and set me upon a great rock. I was nothing, but you called me your own.